Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for you, all you will need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You get the sound with the pop-up that was briefly visible right here before it got rudely interrupted by the guide, which lets us know that we can capture screenshots also using three-finger gestures. So we have several different ones. We have three-finger swipe down. This just captures the normal one. Then we have three-finger hold and just hold in this case. And this allows you to crop a screenshot. So by drawing later on diagonally, it just kind of selects the box. Next we have three-finger hold, and then we can swipe, and depending on how far you swipe, it will also capture a cropped screenshot that will go from edge to edge, and then however far down you swipe, as you can see right here. And last one is the scrollable screenshot, so hold and then start scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page, and this will then start scrolling and allowing you to capture a long version of a screenshot if the content allows you to scroll down on it. As an example, kind of like an Instagram feed would. So on a home screen, this, for instance, would not work. So there we go. Now, I already captured the screenshot with the power button and volume down. So now I'm gonna just showcase it where you can find it. And to do so, open up your Photos application, navigate to Collections, and in here, in the Collections, you'll find, there we go, the Screenshots album, which just kind of shifted over for no reason. And in this album, you will find screenshots and screen recordings that I have captured over the time of using this device. And here's the screenshot that I have captured myself just a moment ago. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.